Here I have Nokia X71 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's activate the keypad. Let's start by using the first secret code. So let me open the hardware test mode. Let's use the following code: *## 372733 #*#*. As you can see, the FQC test mode pops up. Here you can test the hardware features of your device and you can read a few information. For example, you can check the hardware and the software version. Here you've got the build version, the IMEI number and other stuff. Let's go back. If everything is correct, let's tap yes. You can test, for example, your camera, your LED. You can test your vibrator. Let me do it. Let's tap start. Let's choose the number. Alright, you can test this receiver, the speaker. If you hear, let's tap yes. You can also test the microphone, battery, keyboard and other stuff. Here you've got also the final confirmation and here you've got your results. Alright, let's go back. And now it's time to use another secret code. Let's check out the Android test menu. So let's use *## 4636 #*#*. And the testing menu just pops up. Here you can choose phone information, when you can read IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength and other stuff. You can also use more key to select radio band, to view SIM address book or enable data connection. Use the back key and it's time to open the usage statistics. So here you can also read the last time use or usage time of your apps. Use back key again and let's check out the Wi-Fi information. From the following view you can choose the Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks or get connection info. You may also choose here the Wi-Fi config to see configured networks of your device, and you may also select here the Wi-Fi status. So here you can refresh all stats or run a ping test. Use back key again to quit this testing menu and it's time to open the calendar info. So let's use this code *##225 #*#. As you can see, calendar info pops up, so here you can read a few information from your calendar. That's it. Use back key to quit this menu and let's open Google Play service. So let's use *#426 #*#. And Google Play services pops up. Here you can read a few information or you can use more key to see the advanced view. That's it, and at the end let me show you how to check the serial number by using the secret code. All you need to do is use *#06# and serial number of your device pops up. Tap OK to close this window. And that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.